Finally, I have received my salary. As you can check, this is C3 Pay app. The salary was credited on 12th of June 8:38 and the current balance is 841. So using C3 Pay app also I can send this salary to my home country. 1 AED equals to 26, but I always prefer to send money using Taptap Send. So the amount that I'm going to send is 750. There is one important thing that you need to check. There is a AED5 fee which is showing here. Previously, when I used to send money home using Taptap Send, there was no transfer fee at all. It was zero cost transfer fee, okay? But now if you are sending money home, it is 5 AED as a transfer fee, and the amount that is giving is 1 AED equals to 25.80. Why I prefer Taptap Send? Because the transfer is very fast. Once I send here, the next moment the amount has been credited to my Indian bank account. So, and if you're also using Taptap Send, you can send money to many countries like Argentina, Australia, Bangladesh, Belgium, Benin, and many countries that are being listed here. As I am from India, I will be sending money to India 750 AED, and there is one good news that I will be getting 90 AED as bonus credit from Taptap Send. So if you are also using Taptap Send for the first time, you can use my promo code BIPUL84 so that you also get a bonus credit from Taptap Send. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you step by step how to send money home using Taptap Send. The process is very easy. Okay, stay connected and watch the video till end. So the amount that I am sending is 750 AED and the amount that I will be receiving is 19350, and also a benefit of 90 AED which is equals to 2322. So once I enter the amount, the next thing what I need to do is just click on send. Once I click on send, I will be getting all the recipient. If you don't have any recipient, you just need to create one. So I'll just click the recipient here like this. This is my bank, Indian bank. Okay, we need to wait for some time. It is verifying details. Okay, and as you can check here, confirm the transfer amount is 840, transfer fee is 5 AED, and VAT is like 0.24, bonus credit that is 90 as I said you, and the total charged is 755. I am sending 750, but Taptap Send will be deducting 755 AED. Okay, and here is the place where you can add the promo code. The promo code, as I showed you, BIPUL84. You can just click here and add the promo code. Okay, once it is done and confirming everything, friends, you just need to click on pay with card. I have already added my card, and you just need to verify with the pin of your mobile or fingerprint, and it will show something like this. The bank account is also showing, and we just need to reconfirm everything here. It is showing your transfer to Bipuldas is processing 21672. This is the total amount including 2322. Okay, so here I'll just click on OK, and the transfer will be showing here. As you can check, 750, it is in progress. So it might take a few minutes of time and the transfer will be done successfully. If you want, I will just show you the successful transfer. We just need to wait for some time. As you can check, it is still showing in progress, and I will just refresh once and I hope it will be successful. We'll just wait for some time. The transfer that we have done is like a few seconds ago only. It is showing here. It is still showing in progress. We'll just refresh once again. So friends, it's been 4 minutes and it is showing delivered. We have received a notification from Taptap Send as well. As you can check here, it shows Bipuldas has received a transfer of 21672, and VAT invoice I have also received from Taptap Send, the amount, the fee that they have deducted. So I will just check my Indian bank account, the amount that it has been showing here I have received in my Indian bank account also or not. It is showing 21672, right? So we'll just come to our WhatsApp banking. Like I have connected my WhatsApp to my State Bank, and I will just send hi. Okay, I have sent hi, and the next message is like get mini statement. I will just get a mini statement and check if the amount has been credited to my Indian bank or not. And as we can check, it is showing. Okay, the amount is still not received here. It might take a few minutes of time to be credited in my Indian bank account. I will show you that also. We'll just wait for some time. But then you can check here the amount from Taptap Send has been transferred and delivered successfully, which is not yet credited to my Indian bank account. I will just wait for some time and see the balance has been credited or not. As we have checked, the amount has not been credited yet, but I hope it will be credited soon. Till then, we'll just check our C3Pay application, the amount has been debited or not. So I have to open my C3Pay app, and as you can check, 15 June, that is today, Taptap Send Dubai transaction 755. The amount has been debited, and I hope the balance will not be the same as it was before. So we'll wait for some time. Okay, as you can check, the balance is 86.09. The amount has been successfully debited, and Taptap Send has already transferred the amount to India, but it has not been credited yet. And Taptap Send has already credited the balance to India, and it has not been credited to my bank account. I hope it will be added soon. And as you can check the notification, it says Bipuldas has received a transfer of 21672. No worries, we'll just wait for some time, and like previous transaction also, the amount has always been credited to my bank account. We need some time, and I hope the balance will be credited to our bank account. So friends, this is the process, like how we can just transfer our money from UAE to India. So if you're also transferring for the first time from UAE to India, do not forget to use the promo code BIPUL84 to receive a referral bonus from Taptap Send. I hope you like the video. If you have any concern or questions regarding Taptap Send in order to how to send money home using Taptap Send to India or any promo code, do not forget to comment it down. I will try my best to answer that. I hope you like the video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Friends, there is an update regarding the transfer that I have just done. UAE to India money transfer, international money transfer using the application Taptap Send. As you have seen, 750 AED that I have transferred, and the balance has already been deducted from my C3Pay. Okay, and the current balance is like 0.04. I just received an SMS from like Indian bank account that the balance has been credited. So I just want you people to check that the balance has been credited. So here is the notification of the SMS that I have received, but I just want you to check through the WhatsApp banking that I have got linked with my State Bank of India. So this is the State Bank of India WhatsApp banking. What I will do, I'll just send a message called hi and then wait. Okay, now here we'll just click on get mini statement, and I hope the transactions will come here. Please wait while you fetch your mini statement. Okay, as we can check, the available balance is 21711, and you can check 15626 21672 has been credited to my account. So this is how we have used C3Pay application to transfer my salary that I have received in UAE C3Pay card. This is the C3Pay card to my Indian bank account, which is State Bank of India. So the process was very easy, friends. I hope you have liked the video. Any concern, do write in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.